Welcome back to another exciting video on the mix today, and we have Dwayne as he brings us on a tour of his house. Yes, today he's giving us a tour of his house. It's not a full tour, but he shows us areas in his house, and he's letting everyone know that his house is paid off in full. He purchased it with his own money, and also his furniture and everything else that he has was bought by him. So go ahead and catch the video, and remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.
On that house, me no sleep in a car. Me sleep in a nice bed. Make me show on me house, 'cause them enough. Look in a me nice clean house. One a day. Do. What are they? Don't watch me do that. Now watch me good up. What? Let me open the window. Look on me big TV. When my money pay for. Now look on me nice bed. Don't watch the sheet. I don't watch the pillow. Because me got early this morning. This is my bedroom. Talk to me nice. Me no living in no car. Oh, not the house I bought. Because they must sleep on them back seat. Talk to me nice. On the wall, see me nice clean bathroom. See me out in a me passage. Me nice house. See outside of me house, yeah. See outside of me house, yeah. Nice. See me room over there, sir. Me live in a me nice house. Don't watch me do that. Last night did cold. Somebody did have to wrap up warm. And I'm a nice, expensive bed. Talk to me nice. Ooh, no, I chat to say me move out the house.
So that's
See me myself, how many years? Even though, I'm a living room now. So me kitchen over and stuff, me kitchen now. Walande. Me in, I'm a nice house. Take 2 sip off of my salary bill. have a house over them head up, but whoa, yeah. Talk to me nice. Oh, no, can't style me. Me eat on me nice, nice, nice house. Me can suck hold of me earth because of me on the earth. Me not bring no girl on the back car seat. Go. Me in a nice clean house. I don't want to tiger. Them look that your tiger on social media. Myself, I don't want to tiger. You know, you see me? Me the kind of smarty, right? You know me though? Me just make the go. Me love the bad man jacket with people them go and talk. You know? Cause talk, all them cannot talk. Them go and say them know me, you know? And them don't know me. Why? Me body hurt me. Me want some front. Ooh, want come up here about them pocket. People have fun, fun. And me not have no fun. And where my fun I will come from. Because me want come today. Ooh, I gonna make me come. Me want come.
So that's it for today, blenders. Big up on a nice clean self. Enough respect once again to you all. Thank you for watching my videos and for subscribing to my channel. Have a wonderful